Hey, what's up, guys? This is Neon Monkey speaking, the founder of Monkey Squad. Today, what I want to talk about is pretty much just a daily time frame chart and the 4 hour, and see where the price action is headed into next week and what potentially could happen. Um, so the weekly chart, we had a bullish, like kind of engulfing candle. It's looking really bullish, but the one thing that really does concern me was the monthly time frame chart. Like if this is a if let's say if the candle was red, that would indicate a very bearish sign, and we should go and test 7,000 area, 7,700 ish, because of the moving average indicators, which I could put on my chart. I really like looking at the 200-day moving average to get a nice picture of what's going on in the markets, but we could check out some basics over here. So when we go on the 4 hour, you could see as we just broke above the 200-day average on the 200 moving bar average, and on the daily we have it above 6,500. So either we could stall around here, chop around, and then finally break through and test, meet the moving average as it comes up somewhere in the high 7,000s and bounce off and then resume the bull market, or it could just break up from here, go to like 16 17k, and then test back into these previous highs, and then chop around above here. So this is a very cool trading region. I wouldn't be too bullish until we break roughly 11.2k. Then you could probably long it until the all-time highs that we saw this year, and then if it potentially breaks that, we could long it to 16 to 17k and play the pullback. um, but overall, the long-term scale, or headed into next year, if you talk about 2020 into the halving, I believe Bitcoin is actually very bullish, and it could pump potentially to 30 grand. That's what everyone is saying. And I could see that happening because when back in 2016, uh, we don't have data for the Bitmex chart for 2016. We'll have to pull up the Bitfinex chart. Here it is. So looking at the data we had before in the previous run up when I was trading it, I remember when we broke all-time high, like a bunch of people were trying to short this. They were like, okay, we're gonna break all-time high, or we're not gonna break all-time high. They they just weren't expecting crazy speculation, like crazy prices, like $3,000 were like no one was really thinking about $3,000 at that time. And then when we broke, it tested, and everyone was trying to short. They're like, okay, it's gonna go back down, but it just sparked all the way up to 3k. I think the same thing's gonna happen. Like we're gonna break 20 grand, and then we're gonna have like a test in the 17 to 20k region and just shoot for 30 grand. Um, but this chart really gives you an idea of how crazy situations could get during a bubble period, and how parabolic runs can potentially like so something could happen that you just never expect. Like everyone's aiming for 30 grand, but we could potentially even run to 100. So I strongly advise not shorting during a parabolic run, even if it's for a 5 or 10% scalp. It just is not worth it in the long run. Like just play the just play the long side as soon as we start getting some bullish signs, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make a short video introducing myself and introducing the Monkey Squad. I'll be posting a lot of YouTube videos going into the future. More technical analysis videos. This was just a quick wrap up before I head out on the Saturday, beautiful Saturday, like yeah, for lunch. And that's pretty much it. Feel free to subscribe to my Twitch channel. I'll be having Twitch live streams. Feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, leave a comment, join our Discord, and let's just stay in touch and make some money during this next crypto boom. Take care, guys.